Welcome back to Science 1110. And what I'm going to do is explain a little bit more about some of the things. I'm going to go do a video showing the computer display and what parts of how you access things, make sure you have questions on that, and address some of the questions related to simulations, outside simulations and such, and go through those. A few things here which I'm having to change is Adobe no longer supply will deal with Flash, and Adobe Flash was a nice way of doing simulations, interactive simulations. But when they quit it last fall, what they did is then made it any programs that use that no longer work. So I'm in the process since spring to try and fix some of these. Some of the programs have just recently not started working. So if you have a question about something, I've already had one question about a simulation not working, and anything else. That's a problem with you using websites, is you're dependent on what's going on externally. So I'm fixing that. So Lab 2 in particular, I fixed with the first questions as far as that's concerned, and I'll be dealing with more of those. So what I'm going to do is that now switch gears and show you the all the different parts of it as far as that is concerned. The lecture handouts are going to be PDF files. I used to have, again, Adobe Presenter presentations, but right now they're the handouts. There's view quizzes that go with each one. I'll show you how each of that works. So that'll be the first part here. Okay. So here is the physical science website and each of the course home materials, discussions, which will be posted in a communication, or I use email, and quizzes. So let me bring up the content. And what we have here, so the course syllabus, and have the and this is where I'm going to also post. I have the next lecture posted. It'll be all on here unless they're specific to a specific section. So we got the 4 exams, and then we'll have the final exam, which is not listed here. I have the videos. And there's the 10 videos. So I have this secret, like first one, Secret of the Psychics, the questions that go with it, and then the quiz for submitting the answers. So everything is submitted as a quiz. There's no Dropbox for this course. So those, though, Powers of 10, Roller Coasters, Medieval Siege, Newton's Dark Secret, Lost at Sea, and so on. So all these links as of today still work. So you'll pull up, you'll click on that, and then the questions are here. All right, don't worry about the dates. As far as that, I haven't updated, but the questions are still the same. All right, then for this, you would submit a quiz. And for here, Secrets of Psychics, so you would click on that and then submit the quiz, multiple choice. So most of you seem to be getting this already, but I'm just trying to make sure everybody does. All right, there's also the web quizzes, which if I show you, I'll just demonstrate one. you click on the link, and then answer the question. So that's all there is to that. Okay, and these are short answer questions, and I will grade these each manually. All right, that is that. All right, next thing is we go to content. So there's different video quizzes. And we've got those. And then next thing are, we have the course lectures, which again are just PDF handouts. All right, so exam 1, I also have the answers for those. And then exam 1 will be after that. And then I've got the labs, lab handout. Then there's a quiz for each one. And again, these should all work. So each one, you've got a separate handout. Let's say for lab 2. Then there's links. So you got the links are embedded in each one as far as that's concerned. And you just click on each one link like this one. I'm not going to go through it, but this is IndyCar.
That face that is usually covered by her phone has finally made an appearance. That face wouldn't be doing that if you weren't staying at a Virgo lake house.
On board, Tony. Just watch the speed here. Probably up to about 226, maybe 27 as he goes down towards.
Not sure why I have ads on there. I didn't click on that. Anyway, so that's the option there. Then you can go back. So there's the labs there. There's all the labs, so every link. Then there's discussions. All right, these are basically the only things that are not submitted as a quiz. So here's the topics posted so far. Click on the link. There's an article for each one. Saving the Pint is an article I like from when, about Britain leaving the European Union, now not in the European Union or whatever is going on there. But anyway, that's another issue. So you have questions with a link with each one, and I'll have all of these as we go across. I've updated the first few. There'll be approximately 10 to 15. You don't have to submit for all of them, but I'll have that. So that's what you're going to do there, and I grade based on how many participation. You only need to do a short answer for each one. That's all I'm looking for. Okay. So then everything else is on quizzes. And I'll be doing those. And that's basically, so that's the whole part of the course. So I'll be doing more as I feel that are needed. Otherwise, everything should be self-explanatory, I think, as far as the course is concerned. So that's Physical Science 1110. And I'll be doing some lecture presentations, some things about the lab. So I'll be updating some of the lab simulations. Okay? So have a good day.